Are you happy? Are you happy? I will know today whether you are happy. The chairman of our great party, Chief Aaron Chukwuemeka, the Right Honorable Speaker of the most loyal house in Nigeria, Right Honorable Martin Amaewhule, our leader, our father, the leader of the Elder Council River State of our great party, Chief Anabraba Fedi. I want to recognize all the elders, all the honorables, all our mothers and fathers, youths, and the press here present. Before I will start, I want to give God Almighty for the privilege given all of us to be here today. I also want to specially give thanks to our leader, whom God has used to put smiles to all of us here in River State, Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike. Yes, so we get in my little way, the preacher team, please, if you are here, help me, but raise your cap up and sing with me, our leader today, our leader tomorrow. Forever, you are a wonderful man, our leader today, our leader our leader forever, you are a wonderful man, our leader today. The River State is PDP, and PDP is River State. The over 40,000 supporters of our great party that have gathered here today is a testimony that no party in River State can take our place. All the 319 councillors come August 30th will be won by PDP, who have never lost any seat to any party. I don't see how our leader is thinking deeper with PDP for any party to win a single councillor. PDP is going to win the 319 councillor seat in River State. Come on, guys. And also we can show you. I say we will eat whatever. I want to show you that our leader, Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike, have never lost any election. As such, the 23 local government of PDP come August 30th, 2025. PDP is going to win the 23 available local government seats in River State. We have a workaholic chairman in the person of I'm telling you that come August 30th, PDP will win in all the 23 local government areas. Thank you and God bless you all.